Do you cover your mouth when you smile or smile with your lip closed? Are you conscious about that yellow stained teeth of yours? Then you're not alone and you don't have to live with it. Let's talk about how teeth turns yellow and how we can bring back that bright whitened smile of yours. So there are basically two types of stains, external and internal stains. External stains can develop due to tea, coffee, smoking or some food that have strong colors, for example haldi in our normal Indian food. Internal stains go deeper and can be caused due to certain medications, due to aging of your teeth. It might even be caused due to trauma to your teeth or even due to excess fluoride. You can understand it in this way. External stains are just like dirt on your clothes, whereas internal stains are something which is absorbed into your clothes. The good news is that we have effective treatments for both kind of stains. For extrinsic or superficial stains, the best treatment option stays the dental cleaning and a polishing procedure, which can remove all those dental stains or extrinsic stains which is developed onto your teeth due to tea, coffee and external food. For the internal stains, we have two best options. The first option is a dental bleaching procedure, which is a 45 to 1 hour procedure which can be done in one single sitting in a dental clinic, and you can get a beautiful result which can last for 6 months to even 1 year. The second procedure is something called as dental veneer. Dental veneers are thin shells which are covered onto the front surfaces of your teeth, and this can completely change the color or the stains that are present in your teeth. A quick note, I do not personally recommend a brightening toothpaste because it contains many harmful particles such as charcoal and other abrasive materials which can increase the sensitivity of your teeth. So, always get a dental whitening procedure done by a trained professional dentist. I am Dr. Ishita Jakhanwal, maxillofacial prosthodontist and implantologist, and Dr. Ishita's Dental and Implant Clinic. Whether it's just a gentle cleanup or a dental veneer or a bleaching procedure, we got you all covered. Please do like, share and subscribe for more such educational videos.